What's up, guys? Today a little video on the T240 duo charger and the nickel metal hydride batteries. So everybody is using LiPo these days, and yeah, I'm not. I'm using the nickel metal hydride. I just do rock crawling and I don't see any videos on YouTube explaining this, so I figured I would go ahead and do a little video. So if we get new batteries like I did here, these are 5,000 milliamps. The first thing I did was, if you didn't watch my other video, go ahead and watch it. I discharged both batteries and then I charged them up. And this one here got 5337, so that was right out of the box. And then this one over here got 5272. I did 2 cycles on the battery packs, and it's good to do like, I don't know, you could do up to, I think, 5 or 6 times on this. My other Avonic batteries, I did 7 times, and it brought it from 3,600 up to 4,100 and 4,000. So cycling them does help increase the capacity. And the way we're going to do that, and nobody explains this because everybody just jumps right to LiPo, you're going to tap the NiMh, and then you're going to see up here discharge charge. So we're going to tap on cycle, and under battery cell, these happen to be 6 cell, so it's going to be 6S that you want to press. And let me get in here a little closer. The charge current. So the charge current on these, being these are 5,000 milliamp, I could set that to 5.0 amps. For every 1,000 milliamp, you can do 1 amp of charge, but I'm not in a hurry. I already cycled these 2 times. So we're going to leave that at 3.0 amps. Over here, the delta, you can ignore that. The discharge rate is 2.0 amps, so that's what it's going to discharge. If we click more, we're just going to ignore this top one, and then the cycle order you want to select. After I just discharged these batteries, so we're going to select C to D. So that's charge, discharge. If you want to do, say you have batteries that are fully charged, then you can just select D to C, which is discharge to charge. So being I know my batteries are discharged, we're going to select charge to discharge. Up here, the cycle delay time, you can just leave that at 5 minutes. And then cycle time, if you notice, it says 3T. That's 3 times. That means it will, either the way you have this charge discharge, it will charge and then discharge 3 times, which takes a very long time. So I know I already went ahead and I cycled them twice. I'm going to go 2 times again, and the 2T, you can do 1T, 2, 3, 4, 5, and okay, so it cycles 5 times. So I'm going to go for 2 times. We're going to click start, and that is on channel 2. Now that is that battery. Channel 1, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click that. We're going to go to more, and I want to cycle 2 times. Again, you want to make sure this other battery over here is discharged, and then we're going to select 2 times, and we click start, and we just watched a little graph. Over here you can see the capacity. So right now we're putting 11 amps into this one. This one I already got 29 amps going into it. So you will, that's where I got these numbers from, right there. If you look down here, our charge current is 3.1, and that's going to fluctuate. And the same thing over on channel 1. you're gonna see the same thing. And actually, if you saw that, I got to reduce that because that was at 5 amp. I'm not in a hurry. The more amps you put in, the hotter it's gonna get, and that's not good for the battery. So let's make sure everything is set here. And now you'll see that current, instead of being 5, it will go to 3 amp. And this other stuff, you can basically ignore it. And then if we tap cycle, this is where we come in. This is the first cycle. That's on channel 1. So if we press channel 2 and do the same thing, you can see that. And this will display, and when it's done, you'll see 1, 2, depending on how many times it charged, discharged. That's where you'll see that, and you can click back and you have a little graph here. And that's all there is to it.